everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking soup chicken with fish sauce. Are you ready? Let's go. Today I have chicken 2 kilo. Leg chicken ใช่ไหม
Chicken leg.
Oh, chicken leg. Okay, today I have chicken leg, got lemon ใช่ไหม
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass เอาใหม่ Today I have chicken, lemongrass, palm sugar, coriander, garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, black sauce, and fish sauce. Okay, I show you guys. The first, I have to put the lemongrass. Chicken. Mình mà hầm quanh. It's very hot. Today is very hot. In Thailand it's very hot. Today Thai people pay สงกรานต์ you know water everywhere.นี่ I want to kill my husband. Minnie. Okay. I have to put everything in the chicken. Wait. After I put the water 1,500 gram. Milliliter. 1,500 milliliter. I want the chicken underwater. Okay. Palm sugar. You can put sugar if you like sweet or salty. You can put more fish sauce. Up to you, tasting up to you. But I like tasting sweet little, salty little. It's okay for me. I put the fish sauce and the soy sauce and the black sauce. Don't put too much black sauce. I put because the black sauce make chicken beautiful. Everything is be good. I want to put in the fire. Okay. The first you can make big fire because I need to make chicken is very hot. I have to wait 30 minutes and after I come back to look. Okay, time for wait chicken soup. I have to make sauce, spicy sauce. Okay, I have chili. I have to put chili 4 pieces. Coriander. Coriander make a very good smell. Careful. Be careful. Chili. Okay, I put the fish sauce. Okay, palm sugar and lemon. I like tea tasting salty, sour, and sweet. Yummy. Okay, now I have to wait chicken soup 30 minutes and I come back and I finish the spicy sauce. See you after 30 minutes. Okay. Wow, beautiful chicken. very hot. Okay, time for eating. It's a little salty and little sweet. I think it's very good. I want to try with the spicy sauce. For me, if you don't like spicy, you don't want to make a spicy sauce, it's okay, no problem. I think it's really good. But for me, I like spicy, and for me, it's delicious more. Okay, everyone, today I am finished everything, and thank you for your watching and your subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ See you next video. Bye bye. Wait. I have to put olive for อะไรนะ for pig อะ
4 pieces.
for pissy
4 pieces.
pissy
Pieces.
pissy
4 pieces.
pieces pieces Okay, I have to put chili for piecesโอ้ย very hot ไอ้อ้วนมันหลอนนะ I want to talk my husband every day I don't know why
Careful.